Tori, what the fuck, Tori? Tori,
Dude.
you just Tori. No, don't dude
Tori
me,
me. I
Tori.
don't know what it
No,
was.
don't dude me, Tori.
I don't know what it was. I'm sitting here in the middle of the, you
No.
know, beautiful price action. But right now, I haven't seen consolidation like this in platinum since I've traded it.
So the Apex codes are kind of glitching right now, and a lot of people are getting accounts. That's awesome.
Drop another one.
He says
swing trading's not the move.
He said it's not.
Day trading.
He said it's day trading. You can
Yeah.
make so much
Sucks.
money. A day trader would have capitalized on all of that. Did 100K.
Oh, they got a GIF for her already. Look at this. Oh my
Tory
god.
Lanez. We can go with Tory Lanez. That's fine too.
You're not 6'4"?
No, we're only 5'4".
You're the same height as Llama. Oh, Llama's 5'4" too.
Is
Oh, I
that
didn't know
correct?
that. I'm up 575. Look at all the people passing accounts on that long. Let's go. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max. It is May 16th. What a Friday. What a wonderful Friday. And we are here live, 9:30, market open. Crazy ass price action to start the day, but we are ready to kill it. I am with the one and only Mr. Llama Red Pajama, and we are going to have some fun today. We got a special guest coming in for a little while. Just coming to hang out, kick it, chill.
I'm gonna hang around. Mr. Llama Red Pajama got some schnitzel for your mama. Stop playing. All right, we're locked in. Yeah, that candle fully got eaten. We got a 50.1 minute candle to the upside, but just came right back down, right back down, right back down, right back down, right back down.
Yeah, I don't see nothing I like except for right back down, right back down. I mean, the short looks good
I like
here.
price to go all the way to 360. All the way. 360 is really what I would like to see. But I'm
chilling.
This is honor.
I'm chilling. I don't see why we wouldn't keep dumping and close this little gap here.
Yep. I seen it and I liked it and it was good, but just not a It's a little no sir for me. A little gone for me. This is gone.
Today is OPEX. I think it's going to keep dropping a little bit. I'm just going to be patient. Friday, probably going to wait for a little HORB action.
This little up move to 450 would be a potential entry for downside, but I don't have good enough criteria to take it. I'm just watching
SPX. I think SPX is going to go red, Llama. I'm just chilling though.
Whoa, look at the chat. Now we're talking.
That's crazy, bro.
Now we're talking.
It's crazy.
That's some tight work right there. Hey, good job there, W Rug. You know, good job.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Seriously. Get him out of here. Fucking banned. NQ showing a little bit of pop till you stop. Drop. Nice little pop up.
I think 450 is tight work for a sell-off. I got a fib there. I got a little bit more confidence.
We got no confirmations right now.
Yeah.
I legit got no confirmations right now.
Not bad for the little dumper that 450. Problem is, the reason I don't like it, my stop would have to be 470. 20-point stop loss, like a 90-point trade. It's not bad, but I just hate trading. So,
guys, today we have a special day. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna give away a lot of stuff today, Llama. We're gonna give away a lot of stuff today. We're gonna hang. We're gonna hang and we're gonna bang. All right, now we've hit a little rangy. Hit a little rangy right here. Tight little hang.
You said we're about to do what?
We're gonna range. I said we're gonna range and we're gonna bang. I don't know why, but I like the short so much, Llama. But I'm just gonna be patient.
I'm hella bearish. I've been saying.
I just don't see SPX not closing this little tiny gap right here. This little tiny gap. NQ is relatively strong, but look at SPX. I think it's going to run down to like 16, 17. I think it's going to run.
Max a little freak this morning, right? As fuck correct. I just think like for the sell, the 450 is solid entry. I just not as confident.
Right.
Take it out after downside.
Here's a little break. Oh, here's a little break to the upside. Hold on. Here's a nice break to the upside. Let's see if this catches a wiki or not.
I would probably do some shit.
Look, we're actually popping a range here.
Our R is there. A lot of things.
It just rejected right off the range there. I mean, we'll see what happens. I think if NQ drops below like 20, I'm probably going to test a short. I really need it to break like 18. SPX.
Yeah, if it breaks that low, it's gone.
Yeah, SPX.
That would kill the risk to reward.
Code BDM is still 50% off on FFF.
It's like a pretty good setup. It's like pretty good. I'm just not the biggest.
We're just waiting patiently. Like we're in the little rangy range. Just waiting patiently in this little rangy range. I like the short. I mean, it really just. Oh, I like the short here, Llama. Hold on.
That could give it the free fall, bro.
Yeah, I like the short.
Like this 40 points away from my entry. There's just no way I take that.
I might. I'm probably gonna jump on it. Let's see how this candle closes.
Yeah.
If this candle, yeah, I'm gonna probably take a stab at it. Bang, bang, just like that, up 100 and 120. I'm not fucking around with that green candle we saw earlier, though. I like the short, but I'm gonna move a stop loss at break. I'm moving a stop loss to break even right now. I don't even care. I'm moving a stop loss to break even. I'm up 260 a con right here. 260 a con right here. Here we go. Oh, yep, there goes some wick action, but we don't want no wick. Bang! Bang, baby. Let's go. I'm up almost 300 a contract on the short.
You want to break 405, bro. If you could break 405, I promise you it's going to be free range for 30 points. Free, like just an aggressive move. But if it doesn't break 405, it can just come right back.
SPX didn't even fill that gap yet that I'm waiting for. Hold on. I might get tapped here. Might get tapped out. I want to see a big push down, baby. Don't you get bought up. Don't you get bought up. All right, I'm going to move my stop loss down a little bit more now. Here we go. Newer low right there. My stop loss is down. I'm up 340 a con. 340 a con on the short, baby. SPX still hasn't hit my price target. SPX still ain't hit my price target. I got my alert set where I want to see SPX test. I got my alert set where I want to see SPX go. Uh-oh, it might wick me out. It might wick me out. My stop loss is at 15. My stop loss is at 15. If it wicks me out, I'm okay. That's a beautiful short. That's a beautiful short. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I made 215 per con right there.
I think this guy has beef with you, Max.
Who got beef with me?
In the chat, bro. Like,
why he keep making me look? Why does he keep making me look like that? Are we gonna have a problem, player?
I have a little problem.
Are we gonna have a problem up in here?
I have a problem up in this bitch. I mean, yeah, that was pretty solid trade. It just didn't want to break that true day. That true day is.
There we go. There's a Discord invite, guys. Do me a solid. Everyone invite someone to the damn Discord.
He has no beef with Max. He's just gay for llama. And Max just left. Oh, where the fuck is I'm gay for llama? Okay, I'll give you a thumbs up there, brother. Appreciate that.
Well, this Friday is turning out to be a terrible Friday. This is turning out to be a terrible Friday.
What you got going on there, twin?
I'm trying to invite trying to invite my guest, player.
Yeah, how you do that?
No, apparently we having fucking serious issues on my side. I'm trying to lock in, but I'm having a hard time. Not sure what's going on. I think it's on their side.
Oh, my dude look like he got some soft
it be your own people sometimes. It be your own people. There it is.
Yep, there's the break of 405. If it prints through, it should be free range.
Trash. I'm trash.
Should be a continue. Ooh, but ES has its true day sitting here now. 2 now there, Jimmy. So we gotta see what happens. So I'll tell you guys something. When it comes to Fridays, I have no problem missing out on trades. Zero problem. Because it's a Friday. I do not be wanting to ruin my weekend.
That was future strat number 3. Easy right there.
Crispy AF. Crispy ass trade. There's a full print through. There's a continuation candle. This is probably going to go directly to where I wanted it. Completely fine. Completely okay. Just passed your eval. Good fucking job, B-Jeff. Congratulations, my mate.
Congratulations on passing your eval, player. We got orb in 1 minute. Ain't no reason for me to do nothing. Literally ain't no reason for me to do nothing. So we got orb in 1 minute.
Just fucking hanging around.
Moderators, please focus on the moderator chat. I need you to answer my question. Oh, the moderators with the most epic fucking fail I think I've ever seen, dog.
Yo, our moderator team is so trigger happy we banned the guest. Anyone's getting banned. In case you guys are wondering, we're in that mood today. Fucking anyone's getting banned. That's funny as hell, bro. There's no way I read that. Might break the internet. Might break Discord. Who the fuck knows? See if I can spot him. See what happens here. Max looks stressed. Max is hella stressed. You guys don't even know the bro. He's stressed as hell. He's got on Brooke's fucking hair tie. It's fucking ripping his fucking head right now. Probably ripping his brain cells off. He is pissed.
Dude. Tori, what the fuck, Tori? Tori,
Dude.
you just Tori. No, don't dude me, Tori.
I don't know what it was.
No, don't dude me, Tori.
I don't know what it was. I'm sitting here in the middle of the, you know.
Tori,
in the middle
my
of the
whole
woods.
chat is like, Max looks so stressed. I'm sitting here. Welcome,
What did you
ToriTrades.
do? Whatever you did, that last thing you did, it worked. That was it. That was the key.
Typically how it goes for Max.
Yeah, usually it's my last fucking layup. I throw a shot. My moderator's banned her ass. She fucking Tori, look at you in the woods, girl. What you doing out there? Camping and shit.
Florida. We're in Florida, you know what I'm saying? We're in the swamp.
I know that's right. Right there on that Florida Georgia line, girl. What's going on?
I actually just filmed another video with my uncle. A crazy one.
Oh yeah, give us the inside scoop. What are you guys talking about? Talk to me. Well, give us the inside deets.
Dude, I heard stories that I've never heard from my uncle before. It was I've heard biggest losses, numbers I've never knew. I heard about more so how he started, which I never really is kind of vague always.
Right.
And he got kind of emotional. It was crazy, dude. It was a crazy
Really?
day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
All
How
right.
long has your uncle been trading in the like been trading like that?
30 years now.
30
30
years.
years?
Damn.
He's trading on paper?
You know you have 30? Yeah, 30 years.
30 years.
How
is
did you trade
wild.
30 years ago? Was it on computer or he was like
He had to show
calling
up.
like, yo,
He had to like go to a place, sit down with a guy, and be like, so this is what I want to do. Get me into this
right.
position, compact computers, my first trade, 10 grand, toss me in, leave, and that's how it was done.
The guy had to punch the ticket
Wow.
in. Put me in.
That's
Put me in,
that's
coach.
crazy.
I know.
And there's like not even any charts to see. Like, what do? You like read the newspaper? Or you just go off like intuition,
Right.
like
mean, probably a
corn's
little bit.
gonna rip today.
Well, for
think
Tori, it's
Tori-
platinum.
Yeah. Well, I'm a little.
Yeah, I seen your
Don't
video
talk about
yesterday,
it, girl.
Tori.
Don't talk about it. I looked at it
Sensitive
too.
topic.
I looked at it too this morning, girl. Don't talk
I
about it.
saw it. I was like, no.
Well, listen, I mean, if you look at the overall chart in the long term, it's still in the trend that you're probably looking for. It's just hitting these, these touch points.
Pull this shit
It's
out real
hitting these
quick.
little touch points.
I
And
got platinum over
just
here.
need to give Mama T just needs to give Mama T a little breakout.
Chart
Dude,
this up real quick
nothing.
for
This is trash.
T-Ski.
Look at this. It's going nowhere. It's going absolutely nowhere. This is trash.
Sideways.
Why am I in
Sideways
this?
action.
Trash.
Sideways. But look at the daily. Hold on. Yeah, stay on the daily right there. If I was looking at the daily right there, I see an ascending wedge. So you're just waiting for some sort of pop above that one. It looks like that 1,000 mark in 1,010 is like that's the number. You clear that. You're going to who knows where the potential is above.
I know.
Yeah, it's squeezing. It's squeezing. If you look at those more time frames, look at the length of that consolidation. If you're on the right side on that breakout, it's gonna be crazy.
This was the candle you were talking about?
Yeah, that's that bad boy. That's the one.
That bad boy.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. You're still holding, right?
If I'm being honest with you, I already closed. You guys are seeing later.
Oh no, that is a couple. Wait, what was the date on that candle? I was trying to figure that out too, because when I was like, let me do some due diligence on her platinum trade. Oh, so she's about 4. Oh, so you're 4 or 5 days behind. Okay.
Not that far. I closed only 2 days ago.
I did a reaction video because I knew you were coming on today, and where you're like, I'm like, just woke up in the morning, stuck to my phone, like fucking platinum's moving, and then I seen yesterday, you're like, I lost $68,000.
Yeah, dude.
That's Monday at 2 a.m. though. There was no news. Like that's just
nothing. No, it was completely random. This wasn't like it was
so random.
I mean, obviously it wasn't random, but the announcement of like the decision with China, the announcement was random. It causing that,
right?
That wasn't something I could have planned for.
You are the Platt queen, and what is the main driver for Platt? So what is the main driver? Like if the USD is dumping, if the market's ripping, is there any correlation with the NYSE or?
I've tried to do so much. I've tried to see like if does it correlate with gold, and no, never. It's almost sometimes.
No, it doesn't. I just looked at it. Not even close.
It's so random. To be honest, it's non-reactive when it comes to news. It's a weird instrument. It's a weird one.
And just them clean ass trend lines, boy. That's all of that's the only thing it's respecting.
Except for now, but usually it's just it's beautiful price action. But right now, I haven't seen consolidation like this in platinum probably since I've traded it.
Right now, on your futures cons, you're good to hold. But you didn't like the price action, and you shut that thing down. Are you looking to get back in?
Once I heal a little bit.
Oh, so you did take the loss. Okay, so save the amount for socials. Don't give it out. Save the amount for the socials. You know you got to post that, and that's what I said today on my thing. I was like, Tori's the realist because she's got to post that shit.
I know. Yep. Got no choice.
People are gonna love it though. People are gonna respect it. And regardless, more than anything, you gotta respect it. You gotta respect it. Well,
yeah.
The next one, T, I'm sure is gonna be an absolute fucking banger.
I sure hope so.
We got an old photo.
Wow.
Is that young Tori with Uncle Mike and the sis in the chat?
Where are you seeing it?
In the
In
chat,
the
we got
chat.
a
Oh, the
picture.
chat.
We got
Sorry,
like
y'all.
17-year-old Tori right here.
We haven't
Okay.
met the chat yet. We would like to look. There's the
When I
chat.
tell you
Chat's
I was
already gonna
23,
start getting.
Tori, the chat is out of control, and the Big Daddy Morning Show. They are gonna post like we got Tori the Trader right there in cartoon form already.
no, we love
There's
her.
gonna be
We love
there's
her.
gonna be gifs. There's gonna be gifs. There's gonna be a whole bunch of shit. They're out of control, Tori. They're out of control.
Yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
Oh no,
from
I
yeah.
can
Florida,
see.
they see me
You're not
stimming
helping
out.
though.
They're freaking nuts. So what we do, we trade. We just trade NQ futures here in the morning. Me and Llama. Everything we do is for entertainment purposes. Of course, we're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show. We're having a hell of a time. I already caught a short earlier. I'm up about 1,000 on the day. I might not trade for the rest of the day. I'm about $800 from being funded on 150Ks.
Let's go.
And I've been taking it slow, one and done, just kind of like leading how I preach, all the things I preach, just kind of like taking it slow as hell, not a race, and trying to get everybody up to speed, so if we can help out and get them up to speed, that's the vibe. But then we like to do interviews, we like to have a lot of fun, we do a lot of crazy segments, and we definitely love giving back to the community. And that's one thing today, Tori, because I had called Big Poppy Mike, a mutual friend. I know you rock with Apex, and I also love Apex. Shout out to Apex, 80% off right now. One day to pass, so make sure you guys are checking that out. Make sure you're hitting that code TORI or code BDM. And then today they also blessed us, Tori, with 20 account giveaways.
Okay. They ain't
20
playing around.
Apex accounts. They want us to give away 20 Apex accounts in celebration of the Big T and Max collab. And so all we have to do, we can do interviews, we can just pick random numbers, we can just talk some shit. I mean, it really don't matter. And the cool thing about these accounts that we can give away is they work on any broker, wealth charts, Rhythmic, Trade of 8, and they're also for any account size. So you could choose any account size, any broker, anything you want, and get it 100% for free. So that is badass. And then I got to tell you guys, I don't know why a lot of y'all like, oh, I'm fucking about to smash a 300K account. That's not the vibe. You got to make
So hard.
20,000. Bro, it's so hard. Everyone's like, oh,
So
free
hard.
account, I'm getting a 300K or that's not the vibe. I'd probably go for like a 50 to 150 because
Those are
the route I'd
passable.
take.
yeah, 50Ks are solid. 2K, 3K, I'm funded. The trailing drawdown with less risk, you could play smaller and hit a bigger trade. I would, but for some of y'all who are like 300Ks, baby, I'm about to get funded. It's crazy work to do that. 20,000. I've only done it once, and it's very hard. It takes a hell of a time. So, we can't fuck around today. We got a lot of shit to get back. We got like 1,250 people here, T. So you just got to throw a random number out here. We're gonna get to fucking giving away.
Okay.
Get to giving out.
All right. So I just say a number.
Just say a number. You got a winner.
Whatever you want.
All right.
Whatever you want to do.
1738.
1738.
We don't got that many people.
Hold on, girl. We only got 1,200 in the. Hold on, girl. We only got.
All right. How about
1738.
that's just my go-to every time.
I'm like, hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? Hello.
Yeah, seen your pretty ass soon as you walk in the door.
All right, let's do 222. That sounds like a good one.
2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, I do have to count all the way there. So be mindful that Big Daddy Max has to count to 222. I'm at 90, 120, 150.
Yo, who's still in the cell, chat? Who's still in the cell? That entry was a top tick, literal top tick. Back up 50 points again. This is not partial.
The first winner is
nice.
Mr. OMG. Mr. OMG. Congratulations. You know what we should actually do, T? You know what would be a lot more easy if we just sit here, we chat it up. And you know what I think I'm going to do? Mr. OMG. Mr. OMG. You get the first one. But you know what I think we should do? I'm just going to drop a code in the chat at the most random time. I think that's probably the best. I'm just going to drop the code, and first person that gets it, it's a straight free for all here. I'm talking Black Friday.
Oh my God.
Target doors are opening up, and y'all are running to the TVs and run to the TV. So I'm going to drop a code. I'll show y'all how this works. We're going to have some fun right now. So I'm going to We're gonna have some
Oh my
fun real
God.
quick. Hold on. So I'm gonna drop this first code right into the chat. Tori, you say the word go and I drop it. All you got to do is go to the account setup, copy paste the code on Apex, copy and paste the code in, and boom, free account. Whatever account size, whatever fucking broker y'all want.
But
All
I'm
right,
about to log on to Apex right
I'm
now.
yeah, all these people are sitting here like this. I got my finger on the trigger. T, you say the word now, and it is dropped.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Bang.
I've never
There's a
even
code in the
signed up
chat.
to Apex.
There's a code in the chat. You got to copy and paste it.
Wow.
I see a lot of people. Tori, you so pretty, even in the woods. You know, listen, you know, one thing I liked about your morning content was like you didn't have the fancy setup. You just woke up and you're like that's real trader shit to be like, I'm in my biggest trade. The first thing you do in the morning when you're in a fat trade, you're like,
open up the
Oh, dude.
charts.
Well,
bro,
what they
I'm
don't know also
I'm in the chart.
is it wasn't just first thing in the morning. It was kind of all night. So
Right.
So you hit a
I've had
level
one of those trades.
oh
Where
my
like
god.
you're in a trade overnight and you like wake up 3 a.m. You're like,
every time,
where's my phone?
every time
Oh,
you
yeah.
got
Pull the phone
dreams
and you're like, oh
about
my
it.
god.
My
Yeah,
longest
you're like
trade
dreaming about
ever.
stop loss. Like it's terrible.
Bro, my longest trade ever was on natural gas where I lost 179,000 and I just kept
Oh,
buying. I just kept averaging into it like a fucking loser back in 2023. It hurt. Nothing will ever hurt as much as my Costco loss though. $100.
Costco got you, huh?
Girl, Costco got me. There's not enough $1.50 hot dogs in the world to ever
After
make
all
me
the hot dogs you've
to ever
bought.
make me forgive Costco for what they did.
Oh no.
130 bands. Oh, Soda. Congrats, Soda. My
Soda.
boy got 100K.
Soda
Yeah.
was
So
the
if
first one.
we drop the link, I hope it glitches. And I hope you guys get fucking unlimited accounts. So here's how it's gonna work. I got the next code locked and loaded. All T needs to say is drop it now whenever she wants, and the next one's gone. And
Okay.
so it's really on her. She could be mid-sentence and be like, drop it. It's all on you. So Tori, you just took an L. What's the move? What's the mindset like right now? You scaled in? Are you feeling a little discouraged? Are you like the next one's gonna be a banger? Talk to us.
So before I do, let's drop the code real quick.
Bang.
Dang.
Okay, so the whole span of the trade. First trade, which I don't know if you saw, but it was like the very first video talking about like this trade.
Right.
And in
Setup.
that video, I actually say I've already taken a loss. I took a loss and then reversed my position.
Reversed. Yeah.
So it felt like it was one giant trade because it wasn't like a close then re-enter. Like I literally just hit reversed and it was 80 contract order in the books, which is absolutely mind-blowing. So 40 contracts closed, 40 contracts in. So first trade I took an L. It was $27,000 loss and then I reversed. So then all the trade updates that you guys are seeing is on the second trade, the reversal. And I actually closed that one break even. So all the one that went up 60,000, I lost 60,000. You guys are going to see that. I think the next video that's coming out today, I was back up like 30, 40,000 and then back to break even. And I was like, dude, I can't do this anymore. So the second trade was closed break even. So
Trade exhaustion got you.
Trade exhaustion. I was about to say
Trade
that's
exhaustion.
the perfect phrase for that. Trade exhaustion. Oh, so the Apex codes are kind of glitching right now, and a lot of people are getting accounts. That's awesome.
Drop another one.
T, we drop it. T, should we drop it, T?
Let's do it.
There's another one. Hold on, there's another one. It's in the chat. There's another one. Okay, before
Max
Apex
moving too fast. I can't get it.
Before Apex catches up, we got to drop. We're about to give away a world record amount of accounts.
my
Keep going,
God.
chat. Keep going, chat. Before they text, or they're going to call Tori. I got the next code locked and loaded, Mama T, whenever you're ready.
Oh,
They're
talking
calling
about
me. They're
street
calling you.
address
They're calling
contains
you.
illegal.
They'll call me. I don't give a fuck. I hope everybody gets a bunch of accounts. Here we go. I got the next code locked and loaded whenever Mama T wants. So you hit the reverse, you got out at the break even, everything. So moving forward from here, I mean, taking a loss. This is actually hella good for a lot of traders who most of the time need to hear this. And because it doesn't got to be 60K, it doesn't got to be 70K. It could just be a prop account. That sometimes that hurts just as bad for new traders, right? So like, how do you talk on that mindset moving forward? And y'all need to stop typing. If I drop a code and y'all fucking keep typing, you're gonna miss it.
You're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss it. Let's go ahead and drop it in now. Let's go ahead and drop it in now.
Dropped. She said
There
it.
we go.
Dropped. There's the next one. Dropped.
Okay, mindset now is I think it helps with confidence in the strategy, confidence in yourself. I mean, if you know you're still a badass and you're still gonna make it, like I'm not I'm not down on
hell does
myself.
that-
Like I'm okay with taking a loss and then moving on to the next one.
Right.
But I think if you're confident in the market conditions and in your strategy and knowing that there will be another setup in the future, you're gonna be okay. But if you're not, then maybe just work on the strategy, work on the confidence. Because I think you've got to be truly really convinced that there's gonna be so many more moves in the future. Like this one was not the end of the world.
100%. And you know, trading confidence, that really comes with experience. That's tough for a lot of people. A lot of my students even still, they're like, I see the strategy. I know it's like this is picture perfect, but I just don't hit the like buy button like in time, or I just never do it. And in like trading confidence, that comes with experience. You've been in the game how long now? You years.
10 years now.
10 years, bro. You've been trading long in the Big Daddy. And Tori's
Right,
only, and
that's
if you guys
crazy.
don't think trading is stressful, Tori's 18 years old.
Oh, shut
Yeah.
Tori is only 18 years old. That's how stressful
Yep.
trading is. It's me
Uh-huh.
sometimes.
It is
And you
what
know,
it
that's
is.
why I tell everyone I just turned 20. Look at this hairline. This is a trader's hairline.
We got the
Yeah.
grays coming in here.
Got the gray.
Facts,
Oh,
facts.
whoa, whoa. Big Daddy Max ain't got no grays.
Oh,
And if I did, Mama T, I would dye that shit.
would
Right,
you?
right. Have to.
I would dye
Have
that
to.
shit blonde. Oh yeah. I would never. So
Yo,
you're up in
everyone's getting accounts. This
everyone.
shit's
I know. I
lagging
love this.
crazy.
I'm locked and loaded. Yeah, I'm locked and loaded. This is amazing. Max gets highlights. Don't ever, Shalissa, don't ever talk to me like that again. Don't ever say Big Daddy Max gets highlights. I do though. I do get blonde highlights.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So you're
do
up
it.
there. Yeah, don't make that face at me. So T, you're up there in the Florida Georgia line.
I'm basically Georgia. We'll call it Georgia. It's somehow
Basically
Florida.
Georgia. I remember the
Yeah, that
first
don't
time
look
we
like Florida. That's like not Florida woods. That's like Georgia woods.
No,
It's-
bro, that's North Florida. That's North Florida.
I never
Yeah.
been to those parts of town.
I've been up there. You never been to Jayville? You never went and partied up in Jayville?
People
Never
do.
partied through Jayville. I've driven through it multiple
Really?
times, but
Mhm.
I don't
You
stop
never
in those areas. Those parts of town.
Duval.
Yeah, I ain't going to Duval.
Duval. Come on, T, give us one. Give us
We
one.
did it already. Y'all missed it. That was the only one I was doing.
Damn. I was hoping to get another one there. Chad, I ain't gonna lie. I'm feeling pretty good with my $1,000 gain on the day. And the price action, you know, T, I trade ORB. I trade trend, which you know, Tori, I'm telling you right now. Do you ever trade futures like NQ or S or ES or anything like day trading?
No, I have done NQ and ES before, but it was probably like a year ago.
Right. You're strictly sticking to the swing trades. You found your your niche and you're hitting it and you're just gonna keep going with it. I mean, that's smart.
I just had this conversation with my uncle actually, and it was kind of hard for me to wrap my head around, but just because I'm seeing so much success swing trading, like the past 2 years, the most success I've ever had in trading. And my uncle says that's not the move. He's like, he's been trading for 30 years. Like he's got the credentials. Like I'm gonna take what he says.
Swing trading's not the move.
He said it's not.
Day trading.
He said it's day trading. It is. He said you can make so much money if you held for an entire week. You're up 60. You're back to break even. You're up 40. You're back to break even. And then after that week, you're at zero. A day trader would have capitalized on all of that, did 100K.
Right.
And I was like, touche.
I tell a lot of people the same thing. There's a lot of people that say like day trading is the move. I mean, swing trading, and it's because it takes a little bit more stress off because you're not looking at it. But
dude, but it's still
there's so many more moves. Exactly.
Swing trading is so hard.
You can like capitalize on.
Right.
Exactly
I started off as a swing trader, bro, and it was so tough every day. You know what the next 4 letters of the code is? Uncle. Isn't that crazy? I swear it's UNC. I swear. Look at this code, T. You ready for it?
Ready. Let's do it. Let's drop it.
Say, you ready? Watch this. No one talk. Quiet, chat. Look at this. Uncle. How crazy is that?
That's pretty funny.
That code was meant to be. We're going to keep dropping these things because apparently it's glitching and everyone's getting free accounts. And I love that for you all. Thank you, Mama T, for being here, guys. I was stressed. Hey, you guys all saw me on camera. I get so excited when Tori gets to come and hang out. And Tori came to us on Futures 1 as well and dropped an awesome fucking class. People still talk about the class. And I sent you the screenshot.
I got one.
Did you finally get? You got an account?
I had to sign up. Yo, the sign up process is beyond crazy.
Why are you looking for accounts? We have 1,200 people here that we're trying to help out, and you took an account,
bro. Look, they're still getting them. If it's lagging, I'm jumping in. When we were with P Dubs, we gave away 1,200 accounts, and I didn't get not one of them shits.
It's doing the same thing.
1,200 accounts in one day. 1,200.
You know, when the CEO has to start blowing. You get 5 missed calls from the CEO. It's like, we did something wrong, but like, did we? You know, like,
But did
did
we?
you?
Right.
Like,
I was like, but did we
did you
though?
die? But did you die? Bro, look at Llama's pop up. Thank you for signing up. You cheap. Hey, look at the pop up. Yo,
I had
yo,
never signed up before. I went through the first 4 codes. I had to
yo,
sign up. I had to put my address. I had to, bro, it was so beyond a headache.
dog.
Sent a link
Yo,
and everything.
L in the chat for our llama, the co-host. L in the chat for llama. Stealing from the public. Look at it. L's in the chat for
Or 5
llama.
other people got an account. You guys got to be quick. Got to be quicker than that.
Oh, look at this. They're going ham on you right
Damn.
now. They're going
How
crazy.
slow
on you,
asses. You need to speed it up. It's because you know
Oh.
what it is. Most of these people are on their phone. They're not. Look, another one just popped up. They're still getting the accounts. I'm about to get another one actually.
We got to wait for T. T, you know what's crazy? One of my most profitable strategies, I call it future strat number 2, which you know what it is when we talked about it in the course. And I've been having so much success capitalizing on pre-market moves that reverse and getting that good breakout structure. It has been unbelievable, and it's been one of my most profitable strategies. Normally, I wait until about 9:45, for orb and stuff to start scalping. But number 2 it's been so profitable for me as a scalper, watching those breaks and those breaks with candle confirmations. That's like my bread and butter. And that is, girl, listen, when I tell you, that has been insane. And most of my students I've been telling them, and they've been catching it. It is like 9:32 in the morning. I'm done. And I'm like, this is amazing. This is the best. And I hate that people try and make trading so hard. It is not that hard.
I know. It's really not. I mean, if you can get past like the psychology of it and like get out of your own head, I think it really can be easy.
It really can be. I'm telling, and then you just got to keep it simple, and you just got to like, and if you master yourself, as I keep pushing on socials right now, master yourself, and trading's easy. Trading is hella simple. All about the emotion, everything. Don't answer that phone, Big Daddy Max. Sorry for you. Are you calling me? These people are out of control. This is not. This is like a shark pit right now. We got a shark pit right now. We could say anything and make them do anything, and they will jump on the. All right, here it. Ready? Best picture of Tori in the next minute. We'll drop a code. Let's see the best picture of Mama T. Drop the best picture. It could be a GIF. It could be an animated cartoon. Look, there she is.
Quick.
There's a cute little one. You could drop. Oh, they got a GIF for her already. Look at this. Oh my God.
Tory Lanez. I like. We can go with Tory Lanez. That's fine too.
They got
Tory
the Tory
Lanez.
GIF already.
Hey, Russ, that's pretty smart. That's some pretty good humor right there. They're dropping Tory Lanez. Tory Lane. Oh, that's a good one. Yo.
You got aggressive Tory in the chat.
They got aggressive Tory. Oh, they got Tory doing her glow up shit.
Doing me dirty with that Dora. Doing me dirty.
They got Tory Dory. They got Tory the Dory.
That's weird. Where'd that come from?
That's a weird old
one. Like maybe 15. That's wild.
Yeah, how did they even just find that?
The chat is. Hey, that's kind of creepy. Hey, JM, you want some creepy shit right now?
Where'd you find that? I don't even know where that came from. Interesting.
They got her from Money Heist. You think Tori looks like the cute girl from Money Heist? I see it.
Like okay.
I see it. You squint a little bit.
She was so bad. She was so bad. I can't believe they did her like that. I can't believe they did her like that in the show. I don't know if you guys watch Money Heist. Yeah. Money Heist is a great show. I don't know if you took her uncle's class. Your uncle has a class, Tori?
Mm-hmm.
What's your uncle's class? Plug it. I didn't know your uncle had a class.
Yeah. He doesn't. I mean, he's not on socials, so like it's almost impossible to find. But if you type in tradingtemplate.com. Yeah, there you go.
Mods plug tradingtemplate.com for Tori's uncle.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
I didn't know Uncle Mike. I took Uncle Mike's course too. Look, a whole bunch of people took it. Good shit. Look at that.
So cool.
Disney World Tori. Tori is a fashionista as well, you guys. I don't know if you guys know this, but Tori is a fashion queen. Tori, before I talk about this, you want me to drop one?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do it.
Quit spamming. Here we go. They all got quiet real quick.
Man, dude, they're good.
Damn, so look, Max, we just dropped the code. What if I tell the chat that I'm also in the cell? Are they going to try to get the account or take the trade?
You're in this drop that just dropped?
Mm.
You know me. I've had it sitting on my chart since.
Very nice, my boy. So Tori is a fashionista, guys. I don't know if you know this, but part of Tori's thing is she's very into fashion. And the only reason I know this is because I'm a TikTok hoe, and bubble skirts is the
Oh, you saw it?
topic. I'm on bubble skirt talk, and I know Tori
Love the
was
bubble
rocking
skirt.
her bubble skirt the other day. She's a fashionista. Tori, how do you keep up with all these trends? How do you keep up with all these fashion trends? You're always
I got
you're
younger
always
sisters.
done up.
I got younger sisters. I got 3 younger sisters that keep me young.
Here we go. We got bubble skirt Tori on the screen.
Yep,
Production.
that's the bubble skirt.
What exactly is a bubble skirt for
Bubble
us guys
skirt.
that have no clue what that means?
Bubble
It's
skirt.
just like a low-waisted poof. It's a little low-waisted
Is
poof.
it actually like poofy? Like
Okay.
there's air in it?
No. It's just a lot of fabric.
It's a lot of fabric. It's not like a poof. There's a bubble skirt. T's dressed up A1 since day one, and I don't know what the hell a bubble skirt is, but I was on TikTok and I seen like 15 of these fucking things in a row about how
Right.
to wear a bubble skirt. I'm sitting here like, do I gotta buy my wife a bubble skirt? Like, what's going on?
Absolutely.
You might have
Absolutely.
to.
Yeah, like I feel like your wife, Lam. I feel like Kim might rock the bubble skirt. Amanda's like probably not
She
going to be
probably
very
will.
interested. She's
It's
going to be like,
Probably
it's
would.
acquired taste.
you got to have T. You're now Tori. You're like 6'4".
Absolutely
Tori,
not.
you're not 6'4".
No, we're only 5'4".
Oh, you're tiny. You're the same height
Yeah.
as Llama. Oh, Llama's 5'4" too.
Is
Oh,
that
I didn't know
incorrect?
that.
He
Yeah,
said,
no, that's
Oh,
true.
really?
Yeah, Llama's also 5'4". So okay, I was confused there. Okay. Oh, so I'm sorry. I thought you were very tall. I was under the impression you were very tall.
no,
So
no.
we are tanking, brother. I'll tell you
I
one
mean,
thing.
if you're really in the short, then that
You
short
pulled
is
it up. Look.
absolutely printing through.
Look.
Oh yeah, Llama's moving up
Mm,
400
okay.
an account. Llama is in the short. Very
I already
nice.
partialed out too. I'm only up 300 because I partialed out already.
You took the orb rejection or you hit a fib? What'd you do there? Oh, the fib.
Yeah, this is the same trade I've been talking about since
Right.
since 9:35. I've
So
said this
Llama is
trade is
a
it.
fib trader. He trades fibs. He trades a little ITT concepts, a little bit of orb, but most
I mix a
price
little bit of
action.
everything.
He mixed a little bit of everything, but he made it
A
his
little bit of
own,
everything.
and he does pretty damn good, T. And then obviously we got the trend line queen right here, and then Big Daddy Max. I'm an orb trader. I try and keep it as simple as orb. I like trend range trend, and everyone knows I love a good 3-bar, continuation. That's how I trade. All these Apex accounts, I'm absolutely loving the chat here. Congratulations, guys, for you guys getting all this stuff. I mean, really say thank you to Mama T here, because without Tori here, you wouldn't be getting shit. You'd be getting a whole bunch of nothing right now. We'd be doing an interview with Monique, who is never won anything in her life.
Well, I'm glad I can help.
And we
Right,
wanted to
right.
make you feel, hey, T, you had a tough week, and there's no better place to come than the Big Daddy Morning Show to get your mind off trading. We're like the worst trading show in the world. We have the Traders and Haters podcast. We have talked about trading. How many episodes we did now, Llama? 16?
I
Nice.
think we just did 15.
15 episodes. I think we've talked about trading for a total of 2 hours. And it's the Traders and Haters podcast.
Out of
Really? I
30
like that.
hours.
I like that.
30 hours of content. I think we've talked about trading for all of 15 minutes. We've never and Llama drinks like a fish on it. ToriTrades is your hero. Jamie, come on up. Jamie, bring your sweet. Jamie is a badass. Jamie is
Sweet what?
she's our sweet little mama. I mean, she's this hottie in Dubai. She's this hottie in Dubai. She's a
We're
badass
trying to
trader.
find her love.
Yeah, we tried to find her a hot guy, Tori, and she keeps saying that Tori is my hero. I fucking love Tori. Oh my god, Tori.
Hi,
Jamie,
Jamie.
For those in the trade, I'm trailing at 409. For those
do
that
we
keep
have
asking,
another
trailed.
code here?
I'm trailed at 409.25 for those that are still in the trade. Currently
Before
up
Jamie
50
gets
points.
rocking, Big Daddy Max, should I get the dropping?
Oh, who's dropping? Who's saying it?
You say it, girl.
We're saying it. We're going. Let's go.
Chat, hold.
Let's go with this one up too.
Bang. Wait, was that the last one I posted or the new one? I don't remember. Here we go. I'm going to drop 2. Bang. I'm dropping
Hi,
another one because
Jamie.
I don't know if that was the new one. Jamie, meet Tori. Tori, meet Jamie.
She is a baddie in Dubai. Let's go, girl.
She's a baddie in Dubai. That's the only way. And
Baddie in Dubai.
she's hella intelligent. She just got back from a cruise with her girls. She's
Let's
living
go.
the best life. She's like, I'm moving to Greece from Dubai because Greece was badass. She's about to pack up her marina apartment and move to Greece. She is a fucking rock star trader.
We are tanking, boys and girls. We're going to be taking another partial here at 376, guys. 376 is another partial, and then I'm holding for 361.
Very nice. Keep
We're
going, Llama.
tanking right now,
Someone
boys.
just got 7 accounts Someone got one. Alyssa got one. Everyone's getting accounts. Let's go. At any point, Jamie, Tori, you guys say drop. We're gonna drop one. Jamie, say hello.
I don't think we can. I think
Oh, you're
audio's not
muted.
working.
Oh, she did this the other day. Jamie, she's been on stage 15 times and she's still muted. Nope.
With
Can y'all
4
hear me now?
micros.
We can hear you, Jamie.
4
Hey,
micros.
Yeah.
I
The code is
love
for Apex
watching
Trades,
your
guys.
YouTube. Like I learned how to chart all the trends from watching your YouTube when I first started trading.
Let's
so I have to say
go.
thank you. Thanks for the free account.
Of course, of course.
That's so badass. That's so badass. And Jamie, have you just hit the mastermind section? Have you hit class number 2 yet?
No, I'm still in class number 1. I'm taking so many notes so I can understand what you guys are talking about with the orb strategy
Right.
when you're trading live. And this weekend, I'm diving into more of the classes.
All right, wait until you hit fute number 2. And if you know Tori's work or her uncle's, you're gonna see my future strategy number 2 and be like, hell yeah. Like, hell yeah, this is badass.
Let's
And
go.
it's just simplicity is key. And that's the way Mama T likes to trade and keep it. It's the fucking best. It's the best. I think Tori is one of the biggest influencers in social media right now. And as a trader, I think it's such a good look for our niche, and like people like this. How many people in my chat? My chat fucking loves Tori. I don't know. I mean, I didn't even realize. I was the other day we were talking about bringing on another celebrity, and Tori's name was getting like ripped across the screen, and I was like ripped across the screen. It's like Tori, 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 and I was like,
go.
yeah, I was like, all right. And then I hit her up, and of course she's a badass and is doing this out of the goodness of her heart. And she
Always.
came locked and loaded with about 1,000 Apex accounts, apparently.
Apparently.
I know this is the best drop.
We're approaching TP, guys. We're about 9 points away from the
Dude,
fucking
that's
TP.
awesome.
guys.
Let's go.
Jamie, are you
Crazy.
trading right now?
I'm not in the trade right now. I traded London and hit some longs, and so I'm being responsible and not trading right now.
Let's
Smart.
go.
Good move, Jamie. Good
Badass.
move.
Let's go. Hit
Yeah,
some
move.
those London sessions have been good, and just keeping it simple, playing orb off the London Open has been paying out.
I heard that London Orb has been a banger. I have never been up at that time in the morning, but I have heard, and there's a group of students that were trading London all night in the study group. And I've heard
Yeah,
London
it's
Orb.
great.
Yeah, I've heard London Orb has been hella good. So that's
Yeah.
awesome. That's badass. So you're just being disciplined, hanging out, done trading for the day. It's early
I am.
afternoon.
I might YOLO this 100K Apex you just gave me.
I like to hear.
That's
like
what
to
I
hear.
like to hear, girl. What you want another
5
one?
pound Friday.
5 pound
Let's
Friday,
go.
Jamie.
I know that's
I
right.
didn't take my Adderall today, so I'm with you.
Let's go. Jamie's such a badass. She's like, I didn't pop my fucking Adderall. I'm ready to YOLO this Apex account.
Yeah.
Let's go, girl. Listen, the only thing missing from your life, Jamie, is a rich, rich, rich man.
Maybe I'll find one in
both,
Greece.
girl.
In Dubai,
Right. She's moving to Greece now, remember?
moving to Greece.
Mhm.
Yeah, Greece is bad. I've waited for the
Fancy
close outside
Greece.
Orb. I've won 7 trades using Orb. Congratulations. That has nothing to do with me. That has nothing to do with me. That all has to do with you. I could teach you guys how to trade, but I can't hold your hand or work on that emotional aspect. So if you're hitting bangers and making the strategy yours, don't thank me. Just thank myself.
Thank myself. Truly.
I'm Greek. I'll take care of her. What does that mean? What does that mean? I'm Greek and I'll take care of her.
Well, she's moving to Greece, right? She needs a man's.
She is moving to
Right,
Greece.
right,
She went to Greece and she saw some of the men there and she was like, yep, packing my shit.
Packing
Yep.
my shit.
That's
Grabbing
why
the U-Haul
trade
truck.
boys
We're out of here.
Come out, we'll trade together.
Absolutely.
Find some.
But let's make it very evident that Tori is also looking for a man's. So
Damn.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I'm saying.
Should we try to find
we gotta
Tori love? Should
rally.
should
We gotta
bring it to the
rally. Let's
matchmaking
go to
show?
Greece.
Well, first, Tori, I don't know if you know this, but Max does the Max making show. And
Yeah.
we
You're making
have
this
linked.
up. You're
We
making
have.
this up.
No,
That's how we
do.
met Jamie.
That's how we met Jamie.
We met
She
her on
came
a
on-
date.
believe you.
Why?
Jamie, tell her how
Jamie,
the
Jamie,
experience went.
talk for us.
Yeah, so they called up Dolfo, who's in Dubai, and I'm in the chat saying, Yalla, Habibi, I'm in Dubai too. And we met up for coffee. Now we're friends. We trade together, but they're trying to be matchmakers. I'm just too old.
No,
Girl, I
you're
feel like
not.
you too, but
A sweet ass.
okay,
Jane,
so
you
how
are-
about this? We do like the trading version of The Bachelorette. and then you guys host it. How about that?
Ooh.
Absolutely. You just, girl, listen, we need to know. My production team is going wild right now. They would absolutely host it. You
They
need to,
would love
all right,
that.
all right. Well, just give us the basics. It's not going to come off, at any way, but I mean, shorter or taller, doesn't matter.
No.
You're 5 foot,
Because
you're
I'm tall.
5 foot nothing.
I mean,
So
some
I mean,
people
boys.
not.
you're 5 foot. Llama hit final price target. Llama, show him the booty shorts.
Nice.
Show 'em
Let's
the booty
go.
shorts, Llama. Flex it on Tori. Flex the booty shorts for her. Get it. Oh, get it. Tori, you might not like it, my love, but this is what peak male performance looks like. All right. This is showing me
Fair
like,
enough. Valid.
you did not just do that in front of Tori. You did not just do that in front of Tori.
Impressed.
Do it again.
Impressed.
I can't believe you hit. No. Oh.
Somebody got to do it.
It's a
I can't
TP
believe
hit, boys.
do it.
That's a
In front
TP
of-
hit, boys and girls.
In front
That's
of
a TP hit,
Jamie,
boys and girls.
in front of Jamie and Tori, I can't believe you just did that. I
That's a
can't believe
TP hit, boys and
Yeah.
girls.
Mama
That's a
T.
TP hit, boys and girls.
Mama T is looking for love. Well, I didn't know that. And I'm talking, I mean, you need a king, girl. I mean, you need like, who's the guy that plays Superman? That's what I see Tori rocking around with. What's that guy, that hot British guy? I hate him. I hate him because he's so fucking Henry Cavill. Henry Cavill. Oh my, that's what I imagine. Someone post a picture of Henry Cavill. This is what I imagine Tori and Jamie are probably like, yeah, I'll take that. And I think Henry Cavill is like, yeah, that guy.
Yeah.
I don't really care about what other dudes. I don't like to look at other dudes and stuff like that. Not in a gay way, but I look at Henry Cavill and I'm like, fuck you for being so blessed to be like,
sure.
Fuck you.
For sure.
yeah, like fuck you, dude. Like 6'5", and you look like that. He's like 6'5".
What was
I'm
my
5'9". I
entry
need a tall man.
Yeah, you're tall, Jamie.
I'm 5'9".
Okay, that's not too bad. That's not you're about 5.5 inches taller than Llama. Okay, that's not terrible. Llama's also 5'4" wide.
You're ridiculous.
You guys ready for this or what? You ready for another banger? You guys ready for another banger?
Let's
Why
do
the
it.
chat? Watch the chat. They go from going crazy to like shh.
Silent.
Here it comes. Bang. I think you
There we
gotta
go.
drop. I think I gotta drop 2. Hold on. I'm gonna drop one more. I'm gonna drop one more, Mama T, just to drop
let's
2
do it.
out there. We're gonna drop another one right.
That's real. This real business right here. Tori, you've been in the space 10 years.
Right.
How many traders do you see can do some shit like this?
I mean,
As
I'm
transparent
impressed.
as
I'm
can
gonna be
be.
totally honest. In the span
As
of this whole
transparent as
live
can
stream,
be.
being able to multitask like that, then hit a
Come
TP,
on.
I'm gonna be honest.
We're
I'm gonna give you flowers.
entertaining. We're hitting TPs. We're obnoxiously attractive. Like, come on,
Best
guys.
in the game.
Does
I'm
it get more?
impressed.
Does it get more transparent?
Negative Ghost Rider.
Hell no.
Hey,
Hell no.
you cannot. I think Tori is
Hell no.
Tori is the most. I put it on my story today. The transparency queen. I put it on my story today because it don't get more real. It don't get more real, and I don't really care. And the problem is, you don't got nothing to prove. No one needs to prove shit, right? There's nothing to prove, but to the fact that you do it anyway is the best. It's absolutely the best. Llama, I'm very impressed. Look at that trade of 8. You're playing micros up about 800 on the pro accounts. On the pro accounts, you could withdraw that tonight, and you did that live while we're sitting here trading, having a convo, stuck to the plan. That's that's professional shit, Llama. That's professional shit. Very nice. So, Miss Jamie,
I said, look, when we were in this chop, I let everyone know it's barcoding. I'm not a fan of it. I love the sell. I love the trade, but I don't have confidence in it. While we were barcoding over here, I didn't take the first entry. I didn't take the second entry. I didn't take the third entry. I waited for the sweep. I waited for the area of interest to get hit. I didn't FOMO into this chop, and I jumped in and kept entertaining the bros.
Love that.
Simple as that. It's as simple as that.
Absolutely.
Simple as that.
Jamie, before we let you go, you want to say any last words to Mama T? Wish her luck, at least in her hunt for her Superman.
All I'm saying is come to Greece. We'll trade. We'll find some men. Come visit.
Find some men.
And I think we should drop one more code.
Oh, damn. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Just saying.
that's what she said.
Jamie said drop it, then Big Daddy Max will drop that thing. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Stop typing. Bang. I love it. And they're getting to work. Oh no, we're losing T. We're getting to work. Jamie, we love you. You're a fan favorite here. Chat, is it time for Jamie to officially get the fan favorite tag? Is it time for Jamie to get the fucking fan favorite tag? Is it time?
Another one.
Tori, shall we bless?
Lost her.
Should we bless Jamie here with the fan favorite tag?
He lost her.
Dude,
I
Tori,
just grabbed
absolutely.
another account, by the way.
Well,
All
let's
right,
go to
guys,
the
I'm
football.
gonna
I hear
hop off. I think my internet's being kind of crummy.
See, we love you. Thank you so much. Yeah, you are going in and out. Guys, big shout out to
Love you,
Tori
Tori.
Trades. We love her. She is so awesome. Thank you for coming by, girl. We appreciate you. We appreciate your content. We appreciate everything you as a person. You are a badass and an inspiration to so many. And thank you for dropping by the Big Daddy Morning Show. And we'd love to have you back. And I'm gonna be in your DMs finding out what kind of men you like, and I'm gonna get a carbon print copy of 20 of them on the fucking stage for you.
And that's on period. Okay.
Verified.
Okay.
That's on
Verified.
period.
Very verified bank statements. No brokies up in here.
Let's go.
right,
Let's
right.
go. Okay, you're on the right track. You're on the right track. Also trading
that's
related preferred. All right, I'm gonna hop
Ooh,
off. I'm gonna hop
okay.
off.
We'll see you, T. Thank you, Tori.
Thank you,
Bye,
T.
guys.
It was a
Bye,
pleasure.
Tori.
Max, it's
Jamie,
gonna be really hard to find
hold
20
on.
memes.
Let me. We can't find 20 llamas. Jamie wanted me to drop a code. I'm gonna drop a code. Get ready. Get set. Bang.
I think I'm done. I already grabbed 2 accounts. I'm gonna just leave it how it is.
I'm gonna drop one more code, Jamie. What you think about that, girl? Bang. All right, Jamie. We love you, girl. And you know what?
Love you guys.
Let's hit her ass with that fan favorite tag. Bang. Let's see that new color. Jamie, welcome our newest fan favorite, Jamie, the hot mama from Dubai. Jamie in Dubai. We
Bye,
got
guys.
Jamie in Dubai. We'll see you, girl. All right. That was awesome. We love Tori. 1,000 people. You know what's crazy? Hold on. What was the last one? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I still got a bunch of codes to give away, Llama. I still got a bunch of codes to give away.
No, it's not working for me no more.
None of the codes?
It's like frozen.
They might have shut us off. Hold on. Let me try and drop one more.
Let's see what them boys talking about.
This is for our people at Apex. 80% off. How about the last one I just dropped? Did anyone use that? Did anyone get that one? Are we shut off? RRJ? Are we shut off? No, we ain't shut off.
Good, yeah.
Mama, I can't believe you hit just such a banger right now, my boy. I mean, I think we might jump back up now. What do you think about the retreat?
We just hit London and Asia sweep, instant reaction. That's good. Good for buys, in my opinion.
I like the long. Yeah, I kind of like the long here. I might try and take the long on some micros, see if it can't pop back up in the orb. That's a quick 20 points right there. That's a quick 20 points on right there. If we jump back up in that orb. Guys, what a day. I'm pretty sure we've given 1,000 accounts away. Nobody does it like me and the fucking llama. Every time me and the llama fucking do it, baby, we do it big. I like llama. I'm
That
gonna try and
ran for dead ass 100 points. Over 100 points.
try and
That
take the
ran for 125 points.
Yeah, no, it was beautiful.
500 ticks on the dot is what it ran for.
Like the structure break here. I like that SPX is back in orb a lot. This looks pretty good for me for a possible continuation. If SPX can hold orb llama, I really like this long. I really do.
I think it looks good. I mean, this fits my criteria for.
There's a potential Treasy, a nice pop up here. Let's see if this thing could run a little bit. I'm gonna enter some cons, some micros. There it goes. Whoa, I'm in those. I'm up nice already.
I'm up 300.
I'm nice already. I love this. When it hits my first price target at 78, I'm gonna drop a code. Here it comes. If that hits 78, get ready for the code. Uh-oh. It's so close. No, it didn't hit. If it hits 78, I'm dropping the code, llama. First price target hit. You guys know the vibes. Hold on. Oh, it hit. Code incoming. Grenade. Fire in the hole.
Grenade whistle.
Okay, I got a second price target up here at 86, llama. If this hits, I'm going to be feeling hella good, my boy. I'm going to be feeling hella good if this hits right here. 86. I'm up 200 on micros, llama. Let's go. I'm up 200 on micros.
Same.
Next price target, next code. Next price target, next code. Oh, it hit. It hit. Fire in the hole. Hold on.
TP'd.
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
It TP'd there. That's a TP for me.
Bro, okay. I'm scaling out. I'm totally out right there. Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Super easy. What are the codes for Apex accounts, guys? Apex Trader code.
This arm is looking so good. RMD. Bro, I just hit 350 on my accounts, llama, from the long on micros. I just made more on micros than I did on my minis. That's crazy work. And this is why llama been preaching to y'all for so long. You don't need big size to make bread. You need consistency. You need a system that works. You need you need to be locked in on your strategy.
You just log
Because,
in.
bro, Llama just crushed his shit on the way down. I just took a Maxway break, Fute 2, and Fute 1 combo. That's a Futures 1 and Futures 2 combo. That's all I need. Now I'm up.
This
I'm up
was an A+ setup.
per account, boy. I'm up 575. Look at all the people passing accounts on that long. Let's go, baby.
I forgot I have Apex accounts. I should have traded the Apexes
Bro,
on that. I
imagine
traded my pro.
Llama, hold on. I'm freaking out. Imagine paying for another fucking Discord when we
doesn't
have
make sense.
ToriTrades and giveaways like nobody's ever seen before, and we fucking hit bangers for free. Y'all are terrible
Doesn't make
friends.
sense.
You guys are terrible friends. All of y'all need to put that motherfucking MOT tag on your name. Put that. All right, listen. If I'm gonna look at the count, if 20 of y'all put the MOT tag on your name right now, I'll drop a code. Put the MOT tag on, and I drop a code. Put it on. Let me see that MOT tag. Let me see that MOT tag on your name. I want everybody to know who's the number one motherfucking service, free Discord. The best traders in the game is Big Daddy Max and Llama Sober Pay to Play. And remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We're only here for entertainment purposes. All right, ready?
We need
Ready?
that. We need that Logan gift.
Bro, I
Someone
want the
tell
logo.
that pussy this ain't financial advice.
Someone tell that pussy this ain't financial advice. Bro, that's the craziest shit I've ever heard in my life. Guys, also, big shout out to Apex. Apex, 80% off goats. Guys, make sure you're checking out Apex, 80% off, and all the other promo partners. All right, cut the chat. Cut the chat. Here we go. 3. Cut the chat. 2. Cut the chat. 1. Nope. Cut the chat. 3. 2. Nope. 3. Nope. They're still saying, what are you guys saying? And don't say nothing. Stop. Stop talking. Stop talking in 3. Stop talking for 2. Stop talking. I'm dropping the code. Bang. There's the code. I dropped the code. I dropped the code. There's the code. Bang, 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 bang. I dropped the code. Bang, 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 bang. Shout out to Apex, the best and the realest in the game. We love Apex, y'all. Let me see these. We need to hit these trusted partners. Guys, also, someone's reporting that my FFF is still 50% off.
Oh, let me check on my.
Jamie, it is 50% off. Look at Jamie from Dubai with that fan favorite glowing tag. Got a reset. Hell yeah, 50% off FFF resets are like 40 fucking bucks. Whoa, look at the breakout here. Up over 50 points since I took that long. Chat, look at this. Look at this, chat. Just so you guys know, I'm not faking it for the bacon. Hold on. You know Big Daddy Max don't fake it. Hold on. Transparency is key. Look at this. Transparency is key. That's the long I called. I entered. That's my scales. Those are my exits. There's my fucking profit, baby. Same account numbers. I'm officially like 9 or 10 days in a row with no red losses. No, not one red trade. Not one red trade, chat. Not one. That puts me at 8,300 in gains on each account. 8,300. Hold up. 8,300 times 5 accounts. I'm officially up $41,500 in 9 days, and I'm only $3,500 away from 5 Pro Pluses done live in front of you guys every fucking day. Posted entries, exits, reasons why, take profits, stop losses, account numbers, everything you need to prove that BDM is Himothy.
Yo, this guy secured 10 accounts. JB Trades. How did he even do that?
I don't even know, player.
How do you buy multiple accounts on Apex? Because I was only buying one at a time.
Oh, they put the code in. You put the code in. I think you put it on like multiple screens or something, and people just hit buy, copy and paste, buy, copy and paste.
Jeez, that's amazing.
Dang, I think we just gave away like we're giving away like 1,000 accounts.
Probably.
I think
they're gonna call you soon.
They gotta call me soon, right?
Soon.
Well, shit. Should we give one more away?
Look at this guy, 5 secured.
I love Apex, bro. This is why I fuck with Apex so heavy. Bro. But their system is glitchy. They really need to fix these codes. Ain't nobody doing like the Big Daddy Morning Show. This is crazy. I feel like they're gonna shut us off, so I really should drop another one. Llama, what you think?
Hold up, let me get ready.
You want me to pull up another one, chat? Celebrate all the games? Llama, you let me know when you're ready, my boy.
Got you, twin. I'm almost ready there, Twinifer. Just wait on it. Get it going. I'll just do 3, see if it works. Drop that code there, Maxie.
All right, You ready for the code, my boy? Get ready, Llama. You ready, Llama? Llama.
I'm ready, twin. I'm ready, twin. I'm ready, twin. I'm
You
ready, twin.
fast, boy. You fast. You real fast, boy. You think fast. You got fast. You ready? You ready, my boy?
Honor my
All right, here we go.
family.
All right. You honor the family. You ready, Llama? Here comes. Here comes the code, my boy. 3, 2, 1. Go, Llama. Go. Go, Llama. Go. You got this, my boy. You got this, my boy. Get it, Llama. Get it.
Paste instead of copy.
Oh, come on, Llama. Get it. Get it,
It's
Llama.
still in the copy spot.
I love Apex.
Fuck, it's not even. It says code limit exceeded already.
Yeah, you just got cooked.
I just got cooked. Code limit exceeded. Motherfucker. Shit, I'm too slow. I'm too slow. I'm too slow. I'm too slow. Motherfuck. Shit.
I can tell you right now, I don't even know how to judge the amount we've given away today. I don't even know how to judge the amount we're giving away today. I haven't been called or texted by anybody. But we love Apex. We love Apex. They're the realest. Say right now, I support them. There's only one more code left. Shit, you guys having fun today? We hit bangers. We had ToriTrades. We fucking had Jamie. Llama hit a monster 100-pointer. Big Daddy hit a 50-point retracement. We just smoked along. We all made bread. I made more bread on the micros than I did the minis. We got the trade. We gave away I don't even know, bro. Like, we're going to somehow have to get a roll call or something. I don't even know how, but we're going to have to give away a roll caller. So look at these Apex accounts, bro. These people are locked in.
I think longs are clear, bro. Longs are good to go. This is what I was waiting for. Setups. That long was so free.
It's 11 o'clock.
For every single day.
Llama, give Mr. Hold on. Did Mr. OMG get mods? Did Mr. OMG? What's up, bro? Did you get your Apex account? Oh, okay. You're the man, bro. You're good.
You got this?
No, yeah, I'm deleting the ticket. Appreciate you, Mr.
Probably got 50 accounts.
Yeah,
bro, I got 9 of them.
He
said,
said, bro,
smacked his own code 50
did
times.
you get an account? He said, I got like fucking 18 of them, John. Logan, great job, everybody. This is crazy. Look at this shit. Oh my god. I don't know what happened. We got one more. Damn, if I lose my affiliation with Apex, I'm gonna kill y'all.
No, I don't think you'll lose it.
If I lose my affiliation, it's not my fault, bro. It's not my fault. Hey, but I'm gonna tell y'all right now, if I do lose my affiliation with Apex, y'all gonna need to use code BDM. I gotta pay my staff. I gotta feed my baby. All right, chat. We got one more code, Llama. We got one more code. Guys.
That's it? We already gave out all 20?
We gave out 19 codes. Yeah. We gave out 19 codes. We got one more. I'm done trading. Epic fucking day. Epic day. I can't believe we rode that long so perfectly on that structure break, that break back in the orb. Everything was the max way trade right there. Everything was a max way trade. That was beautiful. So that was a great job. That was a great day. Guys, this is one of the funnest days I've ever had on the Big Daddy Morning Show. I was stressed at first. I appreciate you, T. This was one of the funnest days I've ever had on the Big Daddy Morning Show, and can't wait to have you back, girl.
Yeah, no, we need to get her back. She says she's trying to find love.
She's a fucking cutie too. She would have 1,000 dudes lined like Tori could actually probably. She don't need the Big Daddy Morning Show. The Big Daddy Morning Show production. We might have to rent like a studio for like a week and actually run a fucking show. You know what I'm saying? Put a little money into it and fly in some like real successful dudes and run a television show for her. Yeah,
I think it's a good idea. I think it's worth it.
She deserves top level shit. I
definitely think it'll.
Chat. Do me a favor, chat. I don't normally like this, but do me a favor. If y'all got social media, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, especially Instagram and X, go post that free account and tag me in Llama, tag us on socials. Go post an Instagram story, tag us on socials. If you made bank today, tag us on socials. If you love ToriTrades, tag us on socials. If you love the Big Daddy Morning Show, tag us on socials. I'm reposting everything today. I'm reposting everything today at the Big Daddy Max. You hit the Big Daddy Max, Max Option Stray, you hit everything. Y'all owe me some social media clout. That's what y'all owe me, some social media clout. And when I get the first 20 fucking people that tag me on X, on Instagram, when I get tagged on X and Instagram, I'm gonna drop the last code. As soon as I get those tags. You guys use, if you serve it, Big Daddy Max gonna serve it. I got the last code ready to go, Llama.
Probably that hole, my boy. I think it's time.
Once I get those tags, once I see my X, once I see my fucking Instagram, we're
It's
gonna
11. I have to post on you.
Hey, you messing up if you're not in the Big Daddy Max Discord. I know that's right. Posted. Posted. By the way, if y'all heard me talking pre-market, I wasn't muted. I was told, but I got like 3 texts. I was on a phone conversation. I hope y'all can keep whatever you fucking heard to yourself. I'm pretty sure I was just helping somebody out, so it wasn't nothing terrible, but that's crazy to be slip up like that. Hey, don't be saying y'all won 10 accounts, man. I don't know if you're supposed to win 10 accounts. I don't know if you're supposed to win 10 accounts.
Keep it kind of low key, guys.
Yeah, keep it on the low, chat. Keep it on the low. Crazy. Keep it on the low, chat. You know what I'm saying? I know Russ. Hey, we know one person who's gonna tell everybody. Oh, Russ bitch ass.
Russ bitch ass.
Russ bitch
Oh,
ass.
Russ bitch ass.
I know that's right. He gonna tell everybody. What a day.
Guys, please do not send the friend requests. I got them coming in. I'm very lenient and I don't send them to get banned, but I will start eventually. I'm just gonna hit ignore on this one, but the next one is getting a ban.
What'd he say?
Just friend requests coming in, friend requests rolling in.
No friendy.
So
no friends. No friend zone. They know better.
Add me back on Instagram or you're gay. Buddy, I will not be adding you back. Calm down. I need to have motion to get added back.
That's crazy.
Yo,
Max
so
Max
that long was beyond free. I'm gonna be honest with you, Max. I was holding it.
Max Anthony, that's me.
I
ain't getting no tags. I ain't getting no tags on Twitter. No X tags. I told you. Wait, did I?
Actually, check this out. Check this joint out.
What'd you do, twin? No. What'd you do?
I just held it long, bro. This was one of my the green. I want to see the light green names and just the light green names. You guys know what we saw here.
You don't follow Nick the lesbian? He said crazy that llama don't even follow me.
I follow. He's lying, bro. I follow his dumb ass.
You don't follow our editor?
I'm pretty sure I do, bro. He's lying. What's his name?
Well, that's
Damn,
so
if he doesn't
funny.
pop up, it's because I don't follow him.
Well, I still trade options. Hell yeah. I sold some options today, bro. I do
follow you, stupid ass. Jamie said even I follow Nick. Damn.
Look, I sold some QQQ options today. I'm up $80, baby. I'm up $80. I sold some cash secured puts on the Qs.
You know what I haven't done today? Well, first I have to post on YouTube. Well, before that I post on YouTube, I guess I do got to request a withdrawal. Forgot to do that this morning. Now I'm probably not gonna get it today.
No flex zone. No flex zone. Let me check the gram real quick, see if we got any tags. 4 tags coming in. Appreciate you, Big Daddy Max. Red to green plus 7 accounts. Yes, sir, Big Daddy Max. No flex zone. No flex zone. We got the MOT tag. We got a couple retweets. I know that's right. Is all the futures, guys. If you want to tap in and trade like me and Llama, you got to hit Futures One, or you want to trade like Llama, you got to hit Pay to Play University. It's right here in the Discord. Pay to Play University. If you want to know how Llama caught 100 points while we were chilling, Llama, you're muted, blood. If you want to learn how Llama caught 100 points, then you need to check out Pay to Play University. If you want to learn how I caught the reversal, then you need to take the mastermind. If you lottie-dottie want everybody, then you need Futures One.
Futures One, dos, tres.
4, 5, 6. And that's it. And remember, nothing we do a financial advice, player. We are here for entertainment purposes only.
Tell that person
And you can enjoy the free Discord, trading bots, futures. You could get the indicators. You could check the Power Hour special with our boys Logan and Javi. How about Logan and Javi last night? They had themselves a big hater, and then they shit on the hater. I banned his ass, and then they hit a banger trade. Banger trade does not get better than that, guys. You shouldn't be posting like pictures of your subs, your personal information, and like account numbers and shit like that. Some of y'all aren't very good at social media.
I'm trying to log into these Apex
Oh,
accounts. I've never used Apex before.
Apex is fire, bro. Just remember the trailing
Nice.
drawdown. Apex is fire, bro. Y'all want to see? Hold on. Apex was the first prop and the only prop I used when I had first started trading. Man, I'm about to put the code in. I'm about to use the last code for myself. Fuck y'all. I'm about to just use it for myself and lock in.
Wait, Max. Before you do that, open up 10 tabs and try to get 10 accounts.
I bet I could, bro. I could just fucking. What am I giving it to these
Yeah,
chumps?
I have my 2 accounts here. I got my 2 accounts.
This
I
is
only
the
got
goal.
2. I should have done the fucking 10 of them, bro. And I would have just YOLO'd them bitches right now.
This is
Give
the
it to
goal
the
right here.
mods.
Hey, for all
All right,
y'all
what
that
if you
start
throw
an
it into the
account,
mod
right
chat?
here. Right here. You want to see what the goal is? Bang. That's the goal right there. Right there. Paid, 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 denied.
Denied. Paid.
Paid, 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 denied. Paid, 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 paid.
Manage groups. Okay. So I have 2 accounts. See what I can do here. I still like this long. I really do. Definitely still hella bullish. It's just not that's good. I think it's good right where it is. I might just jump.
This has been the greatest Big Daddy Morning Show giveaway in the history of the show. We're gonna have
Wait,
to
I have delayed. I'm delayed. My time is delayed
we're
on
gonna have to
ToriTrades.
do like 500 people left already, but I'm gonna ask Mike what the total was, see if we can get that added up. But then we're never gonna know what the account total was. We probably just hit 100. We probably just hit 50 grand in giveaways.
Easy.
What the fuck?
Easy.
Yeah, I
Easy
definitely gotta
peasy
try
we
it.
did for sure.
Llama, great work today, my guy. Great work today. Great work today. Everybody, seriously, great work today. Today was one of the best days. Friday, finish on a high note. 10 more on that last code. Jamie being
What's the
nasty.
heaviest you could go on Apex 50K?
You can go 5 minis.
5? Fuck, I only dropped 2. I'm
You go.
500 already. Wake out.
Congratulations to Jamie, the new fan favorite, the newest fan favorite, Jamie.
Alright, I jumped in all 5. I jumped in with 50 right there. This is my buy right here. Let's see if we get cooked. I'm doing a little YOLO for the bros.
You're in a
I'm
buy.
doing a little
I
YOLO for the
don't know.
bros.
I think they're 1 day to pass, but I don't know if the code is 1 day to pass. I don't know.
Still
I don't know. I think Apex is like always 1 day to pass.
93.55 is my fill, and that's my entry.
Or
I mean, let's see how much
all
do
of
I
Apex
need
is
with
1 day. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. The code does not no promo ever includes an activation fee.
I
No
need
promo.
like 30 points. I need to go up to 24 for me to pass the account. So this is what I need. This is my YOLO trade. If we can come up to here, I think I passed the account. I'm already up 900 per account.
For real?
I need 3,000, right?
Bro, some of these people, yeah, you need 3,000, bro. 3K.
I'm up 12, 13,
But
14.
there's a trailing drawdown. So if you go red, you're gonna blow it.
So should I close?
The best thing to do is to put a tight stop. Don't let it retrace because if the trailing drawdown hits 2K, you're blown. So I would close 15 and look to re-enter. There's only a 2K drawdown. So you could hold, but trail that thing tight, 3-4 points. Trail that thing tight. You're about like 10 points away. $2,500 drawdown. Mama D. Hey, Mama D, what's up? Did you get some accounts?
All right, so I got pulled out there. I only made $1,000. I'm gonna just re-enter at the same price. See if I can just scoop that 1,000 right back up.
Dang. All right. Mama, you want to try and get in?
Get in what?
You want to try and get on one of these last ones? This is the last code. I'm about to drop it. I had a great day.
Sure.
I had a great day. I had a great day. Hey, Mama D, how's that FFF account going? You popped that shit? You popped it, Mama D?
Out of rejection on the true
1,400
deal.
away. Okay, she's cruising, baby. She's cruising. Let's go. Let's go.
Where are you posting it, Max? My chat?
I'm gonna post it in the live chat and like fucking.
Oh, in the live chat. You're gonna post it for it's gonna be a free for all Black Friday sale?
What, the last code?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the last code's going in the chat, just like the rest of them. Here it goes. Here it goes. You guys ready for the last Apex code? It's gonna go quick. Everybody get your shit ready. May the best man or woman win. Llama just popped this shit. I know Llama just popped his shit. You ready,
I
Llama?
closed out of bed. I told you.
Llama, you let me know when you're ready, player.
I'm ready.
Guys, the last code for our sponsors and our beautiful friends over at Apex. 80% off. We love you. Big Daddy Morning Show. Big Daddy Max. Get ready. Get set. The last code drop. Congratulations.
It already said too much usage right when I copied and pasted it. It already said too much usage. The second it got
bro, these people are quick, bro.
I think they shut you off. I don't think anyone was faster than me. I think it just got shut off. To be honest with you. Yeah. Because I did that shit fast as fuck.
Someone said got him. Look, people said got him. Some people got him.
Nah, For me, it didn't work.
Damn, y'all are crazy. I mean, there's 700 people, bro. What do you expect? That's crazy. All right, can we get an account roll call? Can we do an account roll call?
Too much
I'm just
usage, yeah.
confused. If y'all got an account, can you just type the number you got? Oh my god. Holy fuck.
Damn, I accidentally clicked 60 micros. You think that they blow my account for that?
I don't know, bro. I don't know,
Well,
man.
I jumped right back in the long there. See what happens here. My accounts are up 1,000. If I can just scoop up back to this up to here, then I'm good. Not into cookathon.
I don't know. But I do know is the Florida Panthers play tonight for the freaking big ticket into the Eastern Conference Finals, baby.
300.
That's crazy. These people got locked in. Let's go, Cats.
You can do 100 micros on a 50K? Can you? I'm on a 50K.
Oh, so you could do 10 minis on a 50. Oh, it's 10.
Can
Oh,
you?
you go up to 10, boy.
Really? I'll scale into this.
That was crazy
Oh
fun.
shit, I scaled in and it fucking went down. I'm down 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Oh my god, my accounts are
We hit 38,000
1,200.
people in the Discord. Let's go.
Right when I scaled in, it fucking went down on me. There
Let's
it is. Back to
go.
entry. Come on, let's catch a move here. Let's catch a
Well,
move here, guys. We're YOLOing. We're YOLOing. We're YOLOing. Here, I'll bring it up for the screen for everyone to see. Everyone to see these YOLOs.
You're in the YOLO long or short?
I'm in the long, but I'm getting rinsed.
200 micros?
Yeah, 100 each.
Damn. Damn.
I started it off real nice. I was up 1,000 quick, and then fucking that shit just flipped on me. Because I like to look at my trading view when I do that.
Yeah, you're like, you better see some green.
If it breaks this high, it's gonna go. But I think this is a strong area of interest for me where it could fucking there it goes. $300 until I'm blown. It was blown. There it is. Yep, we blew him, Maxi. Fuck me. 0 for 2 on the YOLOs.
You're so ass, my
0
boy.
for 2 on the YOLOs.
You're so ass, my guy. How will we count that giveaway overall?
Yeah.
How will we count that giveaway? I have no idea. I honestly have no idea.
I don't think we can.
I don't think we can.
Oh my god! Don't tell me it's gonna flip.
That'd be so funny.
Dirty bitch. Apex is gonna tell you how many accounts you give away. They gave P-Dub a number because they called him panicking. They called him like, "Yo, we're at 1,200."
That's my A-beat.
I said, "See you later. Need 600 for pass." Guys, look. Here's what I would do.
Oh, who
I would
passed?
save your Apex accounts for the Power Hour because Power Hour don't miss.
Right.
Iolo
Guys,
is no good.
why
there.
are we losing all discipline when you get something free? I don't get that. Why are y'all losing discipline when you get something free? Why do you just got free accounts? What the fuck are you doing?
What are you guys doing? You know I just popped them hoes because they were free.
Y'all are crazy, bro. This is why we can't give nothing nice.
The boy Kadora said he got 9 of them. Yeah, bro. People are loading up. People are loading up. Bracket order Max Con on the MOC candle. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Got 4 accounts. Thank you guys so much. Mean the world to me. Unlike these fake gurus, you guys literally help us so much. Had a rough week losing a family member. This lifted my spirits. Thank you both. Sorry to hear that, brother.
Sorry to hear that, man.
Glad we can help.
Right. You're going to feel a lot worse when you pop all 4 of those accounts. You're going to feel a lot worse right after you blow those accounts. So,
right. You're going to have to add on the list. You won't just be a family member.
I'll just play with you, my boy. Yeah, well, I hope you're not fucking holding on to that because it's about to get a lot worse for you. Seriously. So,
seriously.
Bro, I'm a fucking comedian. I'm hella comedian, bro.
Man, what a day. What a day.
This is probably the craziest, most fun day I've ever seen. Put that MOT tag on. Shout out to ToriTrades, our guests, our new fan favorite. Shout out to Apex, kicking the man while he's down. Make sure y'all are repping that MOT tag, boys. Make sure y'all repping that MOT
tag. Need that MOT tag.
MOT tag is the only tag.
Fangirl for Tori. You're really not a fangirl for us, Jamie? That's kind of fucked up. I didn't see Tori give you any accounts.
She's the only reason we got the accounts.
I know. Just talking shit.
Right.
Just talking shit. Look at Soda, bro. Thanks, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 accounts.
He was the first one. He was the first one.
Fucking Soda. It's 11:20, bro. I have to post a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Forget it.
We can close it out right here, y'all. I hope you guys had a great day. That was a very unique.
Little interview.
We did Jamie. We had Tori. I mean, we did it all, baby. There's nothing we could do. There's nothing more we could do here. There's nothing.
You know what's crazy is we both posted videos about Tori today. Well, like you posted one literally about her, and then I had mentioned her in my video today.
FFF is still 50% off all evals and resets. That's crazy. FFF still 50% off. Apex 80% off. Like, this is crazy. What's really going on right now, chat? What's really going on? What's really going on right now, guys? We're giving back more than anybody, Llama, in the history of forever.
In the history of forever.
In the history of forever, no Discord has ever given back more than what we have done in the last 5 months. Nobody. The FFF resets are crazy. You can reset like a fucking 50K account or 150K account for like $40. That's actually wild. That's actually wild. Epic. That's all I could say today was epic.
Oh, you know what I had did yesterday, Max? I forgot to tell you, which I might as well do it while I show.
What?
I had said yesterday, well, before anything, I want you to pick a number out of 1 and 47.
Me?
Yes.
1 of 47, 18.
18. So Max chose number 18 right in front of everyone. I had said yesterday, whoever comments on my YouTube most recent post, I'll be giving away a free account. There was 47 comments. Those that were attentive and just stay, on top of what goes on in the Discord.
Did you see my comment?
No, I didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Daddy Sweet Potato.
Hey, that's
the bro. He's won before.
Daddy Sweet Potato.
Daddy Sweet Potato. Is he here?
Hold on, keep going down. Where's my comment? I don't even see it. For real?
No, I'm kidding. Where are you?
Where's my comment? I commented. Keep going. You'll see the X. Keep going till you see the X. Where's my comment?
Not here.
Really? You deleted my comment? Bro. You piece of shit.
I haven't even seen the comment.
You deleted my fucking comment? You piece of shit. You deleted my fucking comment, Llama?
No, bro. I don't see anything. Never commented, bro.
Oh, yes, I absolutely did.
Oh, you didn't, bro. You don't be showing love.
Wow, bro. You deleted my Joan.
Why would I haven't seen it. I usually drop a like when they come in.
Oh, where's that dumbass link? Hold on. No, you deleted my Joan.
Why would I delete the comment? Did it come in here?
Look at it. Here, bro. Definitely commented on your video 21 hours ago. You hid my shit. Look at this. It's right here.
I don't even know how to do that on YouTube.
Look at my shit right here. You're tripping. My shit right there. 21 hours ago. Can you read that, please? Can you read that out loud?
That's on this video? Why is it not popping up?
That's
my favorite part of this video is listening to you breathe heavily through the entire thing. Big wrist, slim body, FN. Where is that? Why do I not see it?
You got a filter on or something.
No, bro. All comments. Like newest comment 21 hours ago is not popping.
Mounts options trading. Here. Wait a minute. How you know I wasn't number 18, fool? Nah, Daddy Sweet Potato. Congratulations, Daddy Sweet Potato. You won something from Llama.
Damn. So was there more comments than 49? Should I recount? Let's see. See if it's still Daddy Sweet Potato.
No, we ain't got time for that, baby. It's 11:30. Congratulations, y'all. Yeah, look at FFF.
Let's log off. Daddy Sweet Potato. Open a support ticket. You just won a free 50K account for commenting on my YouTube video. Thank you. I really appreciate it there, brother. We did it and you correctly. Thank you.
Guys,
stupid. Look at the buy going now, right off the 786. Why didn't I just wait for my level? Because I was
just wait. Chat.
Just wait a minute.
We love you, and nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We are filming the Big Daddy morning show, and we're having a good time doing it. Don't forget to check out everything we offer in the Discord 100% for free. The free alerts, the free indicators, the free education, the free gamma bots, the free economic watch list, news, and more. Don't forget, if you want to learn how to trade like Big Daddy Llama, then you need to check out Pay to Play University. And don't forget to hit that code P2P. Don't forget to hit that code P2P. And if you want to learn how to trade like Big Daddy Max, then I highly suggest you take the Mastermind. And if you want to learn both, we got Futures One, of course, but check them out. Check out the courses. We also have the Power Hour special coming up at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock with Logan and Javi. They have been absolutely shitting on the haters, crushing the game. Fuck that pussy. Nothing we do is financial advice. It is Friday, guys. Finish on a high note. Finish strong with the Power Hour special. Congratulations to the account winners today. Congratulations to all those account winners today. You guys rock that shit. Don't forget to tip our staff. Don't forget to tip our staff. They work so hard dealing with all of you schmucks all day long. Jamie, Kyle, Powlin, Logan, all of the great moderators that we have. Do us a solid and buy them a cup of coffee. How many of y'all just passed the counts? Buy them a damn cup of coffee. And we appreciate you guys so much. Power Hour special starting soon. Happy Friday, everybody. Enjoy your weekends. Thanks again to Apex. We love Apex. Thanks to our sponsor and our good friends over at Apex. Don't forget to use code BDM at Apex for the best sale possible always. Usually 1 day to pass, and it is one of the top props in the game. Check out Apex, guys. 80% off. And we did it again, Llama. We did it again. We got to figure out. We're on an 82 green days, 48 win streak. I'm showing the accounts live every day, and you can't fake that bacon. We're killing it, baby. We're killing it. Happy Friday, guys. We'll see you at 3 o'clock. This is the craziest Big Daddy morning show. I got to try and figure out the total.
Look at Quan. First green week. He did not have a red day. Quan, there you go, guys. It's a fucking pleasure, guys. 48-day win streak.
Big Daddy Quan.
82-2. Completely killing the game, guys. We do it here. I showed everything. We showed everything we have to show, guys. It's as transparent as can be. When big traders come to fuck with you, it's because they've done their homework. So that should just be right there. You guys should just definitely get an understanding of what's really going on. We're going to tear up the whole fucking industry. Everyone's going to start going free. Everyone's going to start doing more giveaways, but it's going to be hard for them to catch up because we're already killing the game. We'll be back next week. Make sure to tap into Power Hour, guys. 3 o'clock Power Hour. If you do want to learn from all the people that we have in here, we have a bunch of coaching. There's Javi, there's Logan, there's me, there's Jake, there's Sean, there's fucking, I think Shark's even up there. Make sure to tap in, guys. If you do want to learn exactly how to see what I seen and what Max seen, you know where to go. Remember, code BDM, code B2P is very simple, guys. 3 p.m. Don't miss out. These guys are 19-0. They haven't missed. 19-0. Logan and Javi are killing the fucking game. Make sure to tap into Power Hour. Love y'all. We'll be back Monday. I'll probably be tuning into Power Hour like I do every single day to watch the bros. Everyone have a great fucking weekend. Podcast drops tomorrow on Max Options Trading on YouTube. Let's get Max to 100,000 subscribers. He's right around the corner from 100K subs, and he's going to get his plaque. Fucking congratulations to the bro. For those still in the buy, you see it here. Perfect 786 bounce. I would hold up here to 448, and then if that breaks, you just going to have to buy the course if you want to get the levels, guys. We're completely out of here. Everyone have a day. Deuces.